Just dip it like when you're dipping your bread into your coffee.
Your onion, your cilantro. Oh boy, is this gonna be a bite or what? We are in search of some amazing tacos just like the ones we had in Mexico. And we are here in Jonesboro, Georgia. We found a food truck and I cannot tell you how excited I am, especially when I see a food truck. It screams authentic. But we're gonna let you know. Come on, let's go eat. One thing we noticed right away was a table showcasing a few dishes so you can actually see them. They had Quesabirria, nachos, tortas, burritos, and of course, as the name suggests, tacos. Cebolla y cilantro. Ya lo demás está ahí en el bar, ¿verdad?
Sí, solo.
¿Tiene algo más algo como una ensalada de nopal o algo así, como condimentos, no? Okay. Now, I'm a big fan of tacos de tripa, that's tripe tacos in English. Nelson, on the other hand, was drawn to the pizza birria. It's like a quesadilla but leveled up. Gooey cheese and flavorful birria layered with cilantro and onion in between two flour tortillas, then cooked until the outside is golden brown with just the right amount of crispiness. When it came to my tacos, I ordered them extra crispy because honestly, that's the best way to enjoy them, but everybody has their preference. While we were waiting, my brother grabbed the champurrado. Now, I love champurrado, but I skipped it since I have to keep an eye on my carbs. That's just life. Luis said it was really good, so I'll take his word for it. All right, the pizza birria was ready. It was sliced into pizza-style wedges with a cup of hot consomme, topped with fresh cilantro and onion. We're gonna drizzle a little lime juice later on and just have a really good time. And these are not tacos if you do not add its respective salsa. And I personally love me a green salsa. They have two options right here. If you ever go to a taqueria, look for the salsa bar, you guys. You're gonna find the salsas, your limes, your cucumbers, and your pickled onions. These are amazing. With its beautiful habanero and of course some radishes, fresh. What else could you ask for in this wonderful weather? It's rainy, cold, but these are worth it.
All right, so they have a really peculiar name for this Quesabirria.
You know, it's got birria and it's
Shaped like a pizza.
Yes, exactly.
It's not for your daily diet, but I bet this is really good.
What kind of tortilla is it? Corn?
No, I think it's flour tortilla.
Flour tortilla? It was really soft.
But it's really good.
Then it's got birria in the center. It's got cheese, obviously. Enjoy it. Who are you going to be sharing this with?
I'll share it with your brother for telling us about the place.
Oh yeah, kudos to my brother.
I mean, it becomes so soft with the consomme. And it's the meat, I mean, it's just so tender, like it's so good and it's warm. It just came out. Just dip it like when you're dipping your bread into your coffee.
I can't wait.
Wow.
Is it similar to a quesa taco? Birria quesa taco?
It is similar, it's just that it's on a flour tortilla, but it's got a lot of flavor. Obviously, I would say I would prefer a corn tortilla, but this one does sound good. It's very good.
The tortilla just comes down to preference. All right, let us know in the comment section, what kind of pizza would you like? A corn tortilla or a flour tortilla one? We already know Nelson's answer.
I'm made out of corn.
Yes. Time for tacos. And I actually ordered 2 of tripe. The good thing, you know, a place is really good when they ask, do you want them soft or do you want them crispy? I am a crispy girl and I love tripe. Then I also have tongue tacos, tacos de lenguas. my English came out, but yes, tacos de lengua, which is beef tongue tacos. I personally asked them to pack them with meat. I like that protein. And of course, your single corn tortilla that I'm gonna enjoy. But let me do its respective lime. And then you've got your onion, your cilantro. Oh boy, is this gonna be a bite or what? There's something to be said about the crispiness of the tripe. I don't think I've had them crispier now, so they're actually really, really good.
I'm amazed they actually have tables set up out here with a tent.
All right, I had to be strong and leave my tripe taco on the side because I want to taste tacos de lengua. Look at that. Wow. I have to say it's got the right amount of fat on that tortilla, tons of flavor. And I love the combination of the crispiness of the tripe, and then you get the softness. And then you get the softness
Of the trucks.
of the tongue. It's really, really good.
What do you think overall about the taco?
I love my tripe. But I have to say I'm gonna go with the tacos de lengua this time. They're really, really good. They have just the right amount of flavor, and then the salsa really complements it. It just brings everything together. I am loving these ones right here. Now, I have to say that tacos de lengua for me were the highlight because I did mention to the cook that the tripe was just a tad on the salty side to my taste, but overall, everything was great. And as if that wasn't enough, the manager brought out Birria Quesa Tacos. If you've been online at all, you know Birria Quesa Tacos are a sensation everywhere. So naturally, we had to try them here. I had to gift one of my tacos to fit this one in.
I can't go without having actual corn tortillas. I have got to have them. There is no way.
Quesabirrias, baby.
It's so crunchy. This is
So
so good.
It's crunchy. They actually brought some sauce. They said it's the secret sauce they use to flavor the food here. Got a nice flavor of sweetness. You can taste all of those chilies
Look at
from
it.
Mexico. Let me see if I can focus because I'm not a pro here, but oh my. I think we got it. It is 2 tortillas, very crispy. Oh yeah. Nelson's having a blast.
This is a great outdoor experience. If you live around, come and try it out.
I have to say we accomplished our mission. We found some really, really good food. Those tacos were on point, really, really delicious. And we've got a happy belly, a happy heart. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell. And we're gonna see you on the next one. Let us know if you loved this kind of video. Bye, everyone.